Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change Roblox game icon. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open any one browser on your laptop or computer. Then head over to create.roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. From the left side, click on Creations button. Here you'll be able to see your experiences. Click on the experience that you want to change the icon of. Select Places option which is below Configure. Tap on the place that you want to make change on. From the left side, click on Icon button. Next, tap on Upload Image button and choose a new image. Make sure it's a square image. After uploading the new image, tap on the Save Changes button. Roblox will review it and it will show up soon on a game page. And that's how you can change Roblox game icon.